Mama, good morning.
Good morning.
You good?
I am fine.
Morning, sister. So guys, right now we are in Border Town, and it's Christmas Day. I think Christmas holiday. So we want to make some shopping for my sister and also for my mom. I think should I go this way? All this way? Okay, mama. 20. That's my mama. And we are in Border Town, so I want to make shopping for my sister and also for my mom. Actually, I want to buy for them some clothes. Oh, stay. I make, huh? No, I want to make sure that I lock my bike. Twin, no problem. So this is Border Town for you. Let's see what we're supposed to do before this day ended. We are remaining with I think from now it's on Monday. Now we are remaining with only 2 days, which is tomorrow and also Wednesday, and then from that it's Christmas. See them anguke. So I'm telling them, be very careful. Struggle for survival. Okay. Kopo yang tinggi pergi har, oh. So within here, guys, we have the border crossing there. It needs somebody to turn off the camera. Okay. So guys, this is the vibe of Border Town. Now people are busy moving up and down. And also I'm outside with my family right here. We are heading this way, and then there's a shop there. We take a U-turn. Oh, but I didn't think it'd be big here. Okay. So let's go, guys. And also let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about on today's vlog. So we are passing here. Yeah. People are so busy. Business everywhere, you know. Okay. Let's see, guys. Yeah. So we are passing here. Okay, that's my mama twende. You know, guys, I just came with my mom and also with my sister, so she can maybe measure the height of clothes and also no, I think here. Okay. There's one shop here, guys. I normally, you know, bought clothes. Odi. Bye.
Bos karibu.
Anti nimerudi leo.
Mtu wa madode wangu. Karibu mpaka ndani.
Asante. Mama. Mama, kuna nguo hapo nje.
Wewe weka hapo mama.
It's see clothes for my sister. Antiranyi ina mkoti wake shingapi?
130. Huyu mtoto amesimama hapa. Huyu ni mkubwa. Sasa huyu ndio unasema wanalingana miaka 5. Huyu mtoto
Dingo ni ya miaka 3. Miaka 4, miaka 3.
mpaka ya miaka 5.
Tafuta
kubwa ya hii kidogo.
kubwa ya hii.
Unaona 110 ile nimekupa. Na kama unataka design nyingine bado niambie nikutafutie.
Mama nilingi sukari hiki koti.
Gani?
Nimeona hapo nje.
Hii
hiyo mahali umesimama hii.
Hii haikuangi na kakoti.
Antiona iko hapa ina kikoti. Hizi hapo. Ama si zenu. Kino ni cheni. Tamlu siren. Nama teramuis.
Sabe mangana yo. Dia karibu sana. Muna ngurusini no?
Guys, I think this one is number 1 for my sister. Okay. Saman. The same coat. Mama anaguro. Sapime.
Hata unajianga kitabu. Maana nyumba hiyo familia.
Ati viratu na nti vinaenda kuri vinene yangu kinari. Sasa isi hata ngunu every December nguo mpya. Toa tu koti peke yake. Guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also give a video a like, comment.
Hiyo kuna 110, labda 110 nikipeka bize rangi nyingine.
Na hizo zote ndogo ni
Kadogo kasali
hapo. Hairengeng.
Anainti hakuna. Hiyo ndio jana na kumbuka vizuri kama jana.
Funga nyororo. Hairengeng kama.
Naweza kukupa mama ndio hii.
Nipige koti.
Sasa kufunguana kuko hapo utakubali. Roho yako ite nguo kama hii hapo.
And also it has a pouch.
Even mother and but roho yako ite kwa ile nguo. Hii ni nani bwana? Hii ni kubwa nani?
American kid.
Hata hii nguo kama ni ya black kumbi kuna nyingine. Mnanichezea na mtoto wangu. Kwani mnafikiri mnataka mnunue nguo once na mtawairudia? Uwe. Mama yo.
Iko sawa. Sana grow.
Si atakuja kuchangia ingine. Hiyo ni kubwa
sana. Mama yake amefunikwa sawa.
Sawa.
Haya, togo uko nikufungie.
Sasa
nimekumbuka, endelea.
Nishamaliza. Tuambie
hiyo ni 2500 maiti.
Mbona
sasa ni vile kuna tupeleka hivi.
Christmas gani? Mimi niuze kawaida unaniuzia.
Kawaida na vimepanda mimi nitafanyaje?
More expensive guys, $25.
Hii ni ndogo. Nipatie hata size 9.
Anti nilizima radio yako iko hapo. Radio yako nilisimamisha muziki.
Number 5, nikupa number 5.
Hiyo ni kubwa ama ndogo?
Kubwa kidogo ya hiyo.
Koti tu ndo tabadilishwa.
Hauwezi badilishwa, mmetaka achukue kubwa hivyo. Inaenda na size yake. Labda nikupe nguo fupi kidogo.
Badilishe koti anti.
Utabadilisha upeanaje? Nimbadilishie nguo yote full. Narakore hai.
Hii ni nani ukikunja itaanza kupasuka huko.
Haitapasuka. Inapasuka kwa nini? Wewe huyu mtoto mchukulie nguo iko very smart. Haya, nani amepata? Unacheka nini?
Iko sawa? Mkoti antuche.
Miaka ngapi mtoto? 3 years. Acha nikupero mimi. Kama aingi kwa akili utaniambia bishike hiyo rongo. Ni ndogo? Mwambie anipe shinene basi.
Shinene hera man. Kani kugere ngose. Nivi ni toro. Mimi naona shikaga break ya.
Kama holiseri turagulira 2300 yeke turagulira 2000.
Emotive.
Ega?
Mukishiri.
Kwa kaga ntinye kwa suchenchiro mukoti kono.
Magu chichi ya mukoti moka. Ningo tebri kangu chenchire ngebo.
Sasa ngo itakuwa ndogo kwa.
Itakuwa hiyo same but kidogo. Nyinyi mnataka hiyo kubwa.
Mtoto na guro. We have only the issues with this coat. It's too big. So we need maybe to exchange the coats. 25 USD. Okay. Nivyo vai za kimama.
Tena mutibi ni wewe.
Nenda kuhumu chibi.
Oko. Ante design kwa ni open online.
Ngebo tiga aswale. Bana ngomo ngebo ni ngamo gotere nda aswale ni
kubwa.
Agera ni gote.
Ana makungwara agere gote uratuniga. Agenda kwa sababu chirani tangote.
Also you have the mirror here.
Uno kubanta kutu mukungu na kugenda ngebo ere gote rumo briki agasagana kiyo hondi
Mai kyo hai. We mahe. Sasa mambo ya Messi.
kumbe maana na akanani ndio akangere takutati anko hengebo bitenge ni ora kana na kutu
Ngware.
ni ora tumi bitenge bukura chimatatu mpaka chimatatu
Irenga bana.
Nyaboni ushikilie yako kabisa. Suna viatu. Story for you sir. Okay guys, let's see them. Kitenge. So let's see kitenge. Kana ron hewa gore han. Kitenge gutun. Yeah. Kumkungora hano ako. Kitenge gutun.
Bana ngubukinde nchikanye.
Ireng har. Titu. Kuja. Mama Karanja. Weiko.
Uko wewe. Salama. Kuacha hapa. Kuacha sasa.
Bay. Mama, she was asking this price. Guys, I see a nice coat here. I wish I could have enough money. I could buy this Chicago. I think so. Yeah. I know it's Chicago. See guys, the Chicago. When I see this logo, I know it's Chicago. Mama muone bei, mama muone nguo. Sababu ya Christmas.
Hiyo tabia hiyo.
Chana na hiyo tabia. Wewe uza vitu unauza kawaida.
Mimi ndio ninamwambia yeye ako chini anashuka chini. Mimi namwambia ikuwe vile.
Let's them to bargain guys. May have no idea. Oh. We have some school bag here. Traveling bag. Actually, this is for the jungle. You know, when you go maybe to semi-arid area. This one match with the colors. Even for the game park, this one match a lot. If you have a girlfriend, there is a clothes here. Man, I'm telling you. No. But I love Chicago. Too much. Chicago. And also right here we have some dressing. Bakite. Makaranja mpe kesho nitaleta pesa. Kama unaniamini mpe. Nitaleta kesho ndo nitakuwa nimepata pesa. Inabaki tu. Ama unaona nitaenda?
Hawezi enda mama mimi.
Sasa mpe nitakuja nikupe 300. Ndo huwa. This is border town, guys. I think right now my sister, she was smiling here, and thank you so much, mom. Actually, mom to Aisha Wine or Twin Sister TV. She bought my sister's clothes, which I'm so grateful, and I'm just happy when I see my family marching during Christmas. And also I saw 2 brothers. He came in border town, even themselves purchased some new clothes for the Christmas holiday. And yeah, and I think maybe in my previous videos I bought my sister's shoes like this one, but black. And also I told my brother, you just bought trousers and shirts. Shoes imekutosha. Makaranja kesho imebaki shingapi?
300.
Haya, twende. Sawa. Aye. Twende. So it's time to go back home. Tuta straight kabisa.
Bora naenda wapi siku? Bora. Yende.
So you know here you must hold your kids' hands. This is free right here for the big people party. If you have a party, you normally come and bought some chairs here, plastic chairs, mattress, duvets, and everything. Say any big head. Hivi ulibaki na kachenji kangu? 5. Tutakutana baadaye.
Kwa nini tusiende madhabahuni tukamwabudu Bwana? Why? Hiyo siku utawaona walevi kwenye baa. Walevi kwenye baa watakuwa wamejaa.
Rich kid are driving.
Wanasema leo Yesu amezaliwa. Hivi umewahi kuona siku ya Pasaka ile ambayo tunaimanga kanisani? Tunabeba mkate
Okay guys, we just walk in border town and today's a market day, and I think today it's on Monday. It's not a market day, but it's a normal day. People coming to buy clothes from the interior part of the village. Well done, man. Let's go. Yeah. Right here, I'm telling my mama, if you reach there, take a U-turn. Asubuhi! Huh? Hey. Vipi unyama?
Siwezi kuona una job. Instagram, niko na YouTube hapa. Ndio YouTube hapa ndio ameingia na mambo yake.
Mama njoo. I want to see my mama. Yeah? Mamwembe. Guys, I swear in God, I love this TV. I don't know why. Unaonaje TV? Songa. Oh. Mom, unaonaje TV? I'm asking how do you see this TV? So big. Kuna kubwa zaidi ya hii. Hey. And I think Hisense is the best. Also Victron. That's the football. Yo ni nani?
Huyu utamjua.
Nani?
Anaitwa Dan.
Dan?
Hata kwanza nimshughulikia mambo yake.
Okay. I brought my mama on this electronic shop. You get shocked. Have a dispenser. That's a TV stand. Yeah. No, I mean this is a table. Yani hii ni meza.
Hapo acha ni calculate. Unasema ni 50k.
See guys, you see maybe Europa FC. Twende man. Hii. This is a dispenser man. Unaweka maji hapa. Unafinya hapa. Ama hii.
Badishe na 52 hiyo.
Hii. Unafinya hapa. Kuna baridi, moto, vuguvugu no. I'm telling you, mama, we have hot, cold and warm. This button that you see here, I think this is hot, warm and cold.
Niweke kwa hii.
I think now, as we have finished your conversation.
Yes, of course.
Yes, we need to see the price of Hisense. That one is Vitron.
Yes. Hisense, how many inches?
Like that one, it's enough. I think that's 55.
No, that one is 65 inches. Yes.
How much?
Boys. This one goes at 62,000. But we can as well negotiate the price.
So I need the Hisense, not Vitron.
If you want Hisense version, you'll get it with 68,000. If it's 65 inches, 55 inches, I'll give you with 40,000.
We need 65, but a Hisense, and then we negotiate maybe from there.
There's no.
Guys, I'm not buying this TV. I'm just asking the price. Also, I brought my mama here to see some good stuff inside here. You know, like my mama, she never used this dispenser. When I brought her inside here, they asked, what is this? I told her, this is a dispenser for putting water and then vitu vya Jerumani. Okay, asubuhi. Yes. So Hisense, for example, maybe today I just come with maybe money. I want to surprise me with a TV. Or maybe personally, I want to surprise myself with a TV.
It's 65,000.
No bargain.
See, it was 68. Now I've made a deduction of 3,000.
What about 62?
62, we'll just see. You prepare that money.
Or maybe it's when I came with around $500, it's enough. Guys, see this TV, the side. When I come with $500, but Vitron, not Vitron, Hisense I mean. This is a Vitron here. I love Hisense. But the worst TV in Africa, Samsung.
Samsung is not a good television.
Or maybe LG.
Sony Bravia, I can go for Sony Bravia. After Sony Bravia, TCL. Then after TCL, I can go for Samsung OLED.
Oh, so nowadays you didn't find Sony.
Sony.
Maybe you make a deal from abroad. Here no Sony. You better too. I don't know. Baiskeli vipi?
Baiskeli zipo.
Hizi ndogo ndogo ya kupiga mazoezi.
Hizo hapo ni kuna hii hata ile nyambamba hiyo unajua ni ile ya mashindano kabisa.
Lakini
15k.
Lakini ya mtumba ndio iko sawa.
Komerela.
Sunaelewa. Hata nikileta sasa mtumba pale tuwekeane hapo. Sema hizi vitu ni matunzo. Then wache wakuibe.
Hapana.
Haya.
Pamoja. Hii hata nikifanya mazoezi nikuwe sawa. Nauza hii.
Usiseme usikuwe sawa, vile pikipiki imeniharibu.
Imekuwa.
Unaona bure. Wewe baiskeli acha ni mazoezi. Shoka hapo zinacheza.
Kila kitu nacheza.
Lakini mbara ni ngumu.
Zinacheza. Inacheza sasa, unajua haiwezi cheza hivyo.
Si kama
mpaka tairi.
Si kama zile zingine.
Tairi mpaka uongeshe kwa kitu fulani.
But I think this one is the most You said this one 15,000?
Yeah.
So guys, this 15,000 for the wrong race. It's even the circumference of this tire and also this one. Okay, Mama, 20. We have some speakers here. 20. Alright, together hand. So now guys, we're heading home. And I left my bike on the other side. So guys, now we're heading home and we just use the shortcuts. You know, I know the back streets in border town. Here. And then the more you go straight, you're gonna find the motorbike. Okay, electronic shop right here. Oh yeah. Napiga hapo moja kwa moja, sijasahau shika ntareva. Haya, okay guys, I'm telling you now, it's busy. Tata mersona tu anavuka. Sabu dia bano. Narudi? Yeah. Oh. Haya. Na Barundi. Katwen. This is my bike here. It's time to hit the road, guys. Let's go. We bosi. Fresh. Niko kinyi bano Unake duniani. Hai. Okay. Rudi nyuma kabisa. Era bano no bata kuna. Abata pefu tatatu. Haya. So guys, this is border town here. And I see police car. Police barabante kuja. So guys, this is border town. And now we are heading home. You know, serious. No problem. Okay, you must be very careful. Very. Hustle is for real. outside here. That's a bank right there. Man, me, I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, mom. And may God bless you abundant. And you make it happen like never before. I know it was not maybe for the very first time. You really supporting my family. And I think maybe during Christmas Day, sometime normal days, you know. Man, I'm telling you 100%. I have my solid subscriber outside there. You know, hey, nowadays border town is growing, man. Back to school, crazy. That's why I normally bought some material for the construction. Life in border town, not what we expect. But again, let's push. That's coaches there. Whoa! Whew. We have a hotel here. We have two cooperative bank and Equity. Right, here we go. That's my dream car right there, you know. Guys, I'm in border town. See you on my next vlog, guys. Okay guys, I'm home right now, and after surprise, so we're gonna see what's going on this side here. Because in the morning I left my brother. They've been continuing with some project here and there, and as I told you earlier, like, hey, you know what, the remaining those soil we never put there as a waste. We just put there for the main purposes. It's because they are still waiting the financial way, like when I will be getting money, I'll start making bricks, maybe for the next project. Either I will use that for building 2 rooms for my brother, and I need every brother have some room. So I think this could be enough bricks, because it's a lot. It's from here up to this further end. And imagine the crazy thing is, may never plant seeds for the palm watermelon, but now it's growing here, very healthy. You can see, if you remember last time that I showed you here, it's too small, but right now look. And even I need to prevent it, and I see without putting fertilizer, any chemical, whether the watermelon could be survive. Anyway, if you see me like going in border town buying watermelon, this is the kind of process. And it's already shed some flowers here, so it shows you anytime it wanna start being matured. So I'm on this point. You see, this is where the soil starts from, all the way up this further end right here. I think this is not a waste, but I just keep it here. It looks like a small mountain. It's rich here. So far so good. Maybe here I have 5,000 plus bricks. That one even it can help me to build the wall, because I need the front wall of the road could be use the bricks, you know. So maybe I don't want, maybe in the future on the road passing here, they will say, oh, you build at the road, things like that. Compared to the machine cut, it's more expensive. So when this one, maybe they will demolish, but I will be very smart on that. I want to, when I'm building something, I must be very accurate. So And yesterday I talked with my engineer. I called him. You know, right now it's a Christmas holiday. People migrate from one point to another, from maybe Nairobi, come back to the village, greeting the family, celebrating Christmas. And also my engineer, he was actually he was a professional from Tanzania. And like, I'm not like criticizing maybe any engineer in my country. It's because of the friendship, and I just working with him as a handman, and he know my struggle. So that's the reason why I talk with him. Hey, you know what, maybe back years, like 2 years, I was a handman for you, close to 2 years, and you know my struggle. I didn't have money. Like, we can sit down, sign a contract, and I give you a job to build a house. Me, like, my work is to offer. I can manage to offer the labor money for the mason and also for the handman, and also I paid him day by day, you know. So he agreed. It's because of you know, of my situation and my background. He said, you know what, if it could be other people, they could give me $2,500. That's around 200, and I think 2,000, that's 200,000 Kenyan shillings plus man on top. So when you calculate, it could bring $2,500 for maybe starting a house and everything. But because of that, me, I didn't have that. Me, I only have around I think on my pocket I was having around 130 Kenyan shillings. So it managed to build that house from scratch up to where it reached. Even you can see here, I finished like 2 tippers, I think 2 or 1. I'm not sure about that. So direct to the point, in the morning, as I said early on this part of the video, I left my brother making some bricks, and I told him, hey, because right now it's a rain season and we have water on the borehole, so he can make. Oh man, and it's good idea. It's a good idea. He can make like this, and then burning them. After burning them, it can help me, like, man, to build even a perimeter wall, because I need that house for my mama to be a uniform. I don't want to build with machine cut at the same time. You see the, you know, like crazy bricks. I need the house to be uniform from foundation up to the ringtone and then up to top notch. And also, by God's grace, I hope by January, the year of 2026 is the year of success on my side, and I know it's the year of success each and everybody. So we are on this world to keep supporting each other, to work as a community, and me, I love the way, you know, I push myself. So far so good. Here my brother, they really motivate me. Imagine, that's the way you make bricks here, man. Look, you know. So like, that stuff, I hope maybe by the next vlog I'll be here. I show you how my brother makes some bricks and molding. So he do this, you know. Oh my god, yeah, this is a fantastic job. Wow, I love it, because we have another soil inside there on this corner and another corner. So I told him, you just make bricks, you remove those soil from there, instead of maybe looking for the people taking them out, you just make bricks. And I love the work. I love the work 100%. This is our awesome job, you know. Now we start drying it up, and then from drying it up, when it's more like when it's dry more enough, they will squeeze back, you know. And then from there, maybe when it reach, I think when it starts from now, by the end of maybe by the second week of January, they will make a lot of bricks, 100%. And I'm praying when he make a lot and burning them, we can negotiate. Hey bro, maybe I can give you something small. You pay for the school fees, you left for me some bricks, and I keep maybe starting the wall here, you know. So I need this place to be secure. When maybe anytime I left home, at least I need my mama to be secure enough. So generally my family, we just work so hard. Look, that's my brother's maze, and on the other side, on that home back side, we have again my brother's project for the maize corn. And on my great grandma land, he rented there like I think 1 season, and now like no more my great grandma. So I wanna say my rest in peace, my soul rest in peace, I mean. So I'm still waiting the feedback from my engineer, because he chose one of the mason for those people who are working here. And I think I will bring 2 mason here and also 2 handman when they do for the front porch and back porch. They will mix concrete and put quick and fast. And also the following day they will move those timbers and start doing decoration of the living room and sitting room. Man, look, like I'm trying to advise for those young generation who join in terms of building and construction as a handman. Me, I learned something, I personally like. It's good to fence the site. Look, now I'm safe. Even at night I could sit inside there chilling. And anyway, wewe msicheze kwa kisima hapo, mnachota maji teke, msianze kusukumana hapo. Yeah, I'm telling some kids here to fetch water and go, because they'll start playing there and then they'll find themselves maybe pushing each other to the borehole, and could be another case. So where you see that I'm fencing the iron sheet, that is the mark, that's the end of our of my dad's place, and also where I put another iron sheet, the main gate of the construction site. That's my dad's share going down. And I think maybe one day God will open the door, we'll have enough land for planting more maize and more veggies for my family. Hopefully I'm playing that, I'm dreaming on that one day, not now, guys. It's good you start dreaming earlier than late, mkichota maji mnaenda, msicheze kwa kisima. Aya, mchunge fence. I'm telling them, the moment they fetch water from here, they'll take back home instead of playing here, and they will bring some another issues which I'll never expect, as a family. So this is my sister's cloth, and my mom actually in the morning she was having this cloth here, but again God opened the door. Every Christmas, every of the Christmas at the end of the year, on December like this, my sister gets surprised. Me, I said I'm just okay, I don't mind clothes, for me I'm just okay, honest, because I see some ego. Me, guys, honest, guys, to be honest, the way I pronounced, me, I'm just okay, because I'm a grown-up, I'm a mature person. So when you see my sister, when they see some neighbors and maybe their friends have a new clothes, they'll start, oh, why not me, mom? Why not me? They start crying, oh, mom, I didn't have new clothes. That behavior. Even me back here, when I was around maybe 5 to 7 years, that only could know me. No, it stick on my mind. Oh, on Christmas Day, my mama or my dad, they could bought for me a new clothes. So you still wait. When it reach Christmas Day, that's the day where you can wear a new clothes, eating mandazi, taking masoda, and also maybe taking photo. But nowadays, new technology come in Africa, and also in Africa people expand in terms of the new technology, like taking photos. Nowadays we can use a phone, my phone like this. You can take a photo, and also we can use maybe a camera. You can take photo. But back here, maybe you can walk from here up to Nyabohanse. We found maybe 2 or 1 people. They have only those photographic cameras, or the Canon or Sony, whichever the company, they were being used that one. And around in Nyanza region, or maybe around in our communities, Akurian, we only have maybe 2 people who are being photographer, and then we have more than maybe 1,000 people, 2,000 people, 1,500 people, because people come from different places, maybe from the interior part of the village, coming maybe in Nyabohanse, other people going in Tanzania, going in border town, you know. So like when you compare the backyards that we are living, let me say maybe 10 backyards, and when you compare now, it's more different. Nyaboni, usiende mbali. Aya. So that's my sister. So again, that's how things change, you know. And imagine the crazy thing is, we like, even me, I normally see chapati during Christmas Day. I swear in God, on Christmas Day, even when you wear the new clothes after the day ended of the Christmas, you need to remove that cloth. Your mom will wash the cloth and then keep it in a briefcase. But by that time, we normally use the metal box. They keep it until maybe New Year. We wear that cloth and then they wash it again. And then from that, maybe when you go for the maybe like local party or wedding, you can wear that one. That one is meant for, you know, big celebration. But nowadays, it's another new lifestyle. Like for me, I can walk like that on Christmas. I know people in America, like mostly men, they wear big shirts, big trousers like me here, big boots, and you know, like walking. Yo man, what's up my people? You know, me, I'm just okay. And I'm just update you guys yesterday, and I think from last week on Friday 25th, it was my birthday. I'm still counting hours. From now, remaining with 48 hours. That's tomorrow. Again on Wednesday, that's 48 hours. And then from that, boom, Christmas Day. God will open the door. Me, I have no clue, I have no idea. If guys, you wish to support me on Christmas gift, anything, could be a cake, anything, could be maybe a bottle of water, anything. If you feel like, hello baby, I never see you trying champagne, I'll just do it here in a local way. Do it here outside, and me, I'll share with those people who don't have anything on that day. I'm not, even for us, we didn't have anything, but hopefully on that day when we get something, we'll share with some people in our community here. And I'll let my mama on that day when the time reach. Maybe when the time reach, from morning up to noon time, when we have something, I'll let my mama like, hey, they maybe, you know, calling other people like, hey, come and celebrate my son birthday, and then we eat some food, because we're so blessed, and we need to share with other people some blessing. And also it's good when I have some small amount of food to share with other people, you know. Even me, I was being supportive. Why not? So in court, I must share with my neighbors and also with some friends, because nowadays me being honest, I'm independent. I'm just mind my own business and do what I supposed to do. Man, I see the car passing there. I don't know, maybe if you can see. Look, right there. I see somebody like my brother. You see? So I see my brother waving me from a distance. It shows you maybe one day also when maybe my brother have a car or my sister have a good road which connects from the tarmac, come this way going to Nyabohans, they will have, you know. And what I'm just believe, or what I'm just seeing that are coming maybe next 10 years or 5 years, one of my brother, they will have a car. I'm telling you. So that's the reason I just keep pushing them to be well educated, and I'm the guy who value education. For me, I'm just studying in a hard way, because my mama, she could struggle, like she was struggling here and there. You know, we eat, we go to school, we pay school fees. It could be difficult to be, you know, like to be one person taking care of your responsibility. You need to eat, you need to wear clothes, you need to wear shoes, you need to go to school, you need to pay school fees. When maybe sometime by bad luck you are sick, you need to go to hospital, you know, like those expenses, all those bills. I said, Mama, no. Me, let me struggle as a handman, and I keep, you know, supporting you. One day God will open the door. And I'm telling you guys, since I start YouTube, my YouTube journey, man, like it's a miracle. Dream come to reality. I start to see some success, enjoying it, keep pushing, and we reach where we see now. It's by God's grace. And also me, man, I'm so grateful. One day you'll never see this house here. So let's go, and I think I'll call my engineer right now on camera, and I see where we have reached, because yesterday he told me, oh, I will go and organize. Let me call him. I don't know, maybe he can pick my phone call, because he's going to Tanzania. Oh my God, he was offline. Guys, when it's advisable, I'll bring I'll try maybe by tomorrow. I'll bring another mason, but for those people working here, you know, I need to save some cement. All right, man. And also right here, this is my brother's bicycle. They're really enjoying it, because now even me, I just parked my bike outside here. We didn't have the parking point, because that one could be the parking point, but I would demolish, you know. That's my dog sleeping there. This one here. Oh, even I found my brother taking cement from here, because they want to use that polythene paper. I will ask him. They're really pushing toward here. Oh my God. There's some bags of cement. It's around 10 of them, and it's 50 kg. One bag it contains 50 kg. So if you try to misuse 500 kg, and that's a lot of money in our village here. That's around close to 9,000, 10,000. And this could be my mom old bed, but one day I'll push it to the second room, not visitor's room, to maybe my sister's room. So those cements, they were being here, but I see my brothers taking there, you know, this construction material. Look. So I need even this one to put down there. So after maybe I'll push this chairs to other side, you know. Wow. So let me show you where my brother he was doing molding the bricks just over here, and he was the one who take I told him don't go deeper, so he was the one who take the polythene paper just right here. I told him don't go deeper, but here he go deeper. I don't know why. Maybe misunderstanding, you know. By tomorrow I'll be here and direct him like, hey, just remove on the top. We have this, you know. Imagine a small space like this. He make a lot of bricks. So let me show you other side of the those, you know, those. So even this one here, they can maybe use for making bricks right here. And also I need him to make on this side, this some soil here to make some bricks, and then to leave this place to be empty. Things are shining here, and man, let me end my video here and by saying thank you so much. My God bless you. We shall meet maybe on the next video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so now as you can see how the day looks like, it's very cheery and calm. Man, I love the cloud of Africa. Look from this side here. And also I'm heading home. So technically let's go and see how my day goes, and also I'll help my mama to give cows water, you know. That's my big intention, and it's my daily routine, you know. Let's go. I'm on this side of Nyamwini. Actually I was visiting one of my friends. It's a random like we meet on the road and also say hello. So but again on this side here, this is where I collect some sand, or maybe I buy some sand from here and then I go home, you know. So let's go and see how things go. There's some police doing some smuggling. Me guys, one thing that I want to show you here, stand there baby. One thing that I want to show you here guys, first thing let me lock the key because I should keep a distance. Let me tell you one thing guys, you know this side here, man, in Africa we're so blessed. Why not? Water is running here, and also it's coming from the ground. At the same time we harvest sand from here, you know. So how comes other people say, oh, Africa, especially in our village, when we said like I'm just coming from the village, that's how things looks like. And also guys, me I'm insist for those people who need to come in our village and be part of our family, part of the communities, you just guys come. So look, this is what, and it's very clean. When you go in a desert area, you can't find. Boya tata, boya tata. Also, that's one of my friends by the name Daniel. So guys, also let me show you one thing. That's water, and I can drink that water because it's running, you know. And then we have a stand from there. Imagine me, I wish I knew one day when I would be well financially, I could buy around a land from you know, close to the river or next to the river, because me, my work is to buy is to remove the sand from here I fetch water from here. Man, look. There's water. If my home could be there or here, like building, it could be more easy for me, you know. And I'm telling you, in the village, I love the vibe in the village. Man, things are super green, and we just experienced droughts 2 months. Imagine 2 months. And now even you can see some greens here, you know. So me, I'm heading home right now, and I wanna see how things go. Hey dada, go poa. That's my sister, you know. I'm calling her in a respective way because her mother and my dad, they have been calling themselves or each other cousin. Anyway, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. That's my baby, and it's helped me a lot. I'm so grateful, and thank you so much, each and everyone who's supporting me. Man, without you I couldn't manage to have this bike. You know, maybe it could take me 3 years, 4 years, even 20 years without a bike, but it's my pure hard working, and you guys will never let me down. You watch my videos day by day, don't skip ads. At least I do something, you know. Like, the good thing about me, I personally, on my side, when I get money, I spend to my family, and I know what I'm missing in my family. I do. Like, man, I'm the guy who I'm the guy who need my young sibling to be well educated, you know. I don't want, whoa, my brother like this. No, I want to be a good role in my family, and to be a front line in my family. That's how I keep, you know, like, improving myself. Even one day I'll become a good husband, maybe to somebody else, you know, things like that, but not now. Let's go. Whoa. So I'll reuse this route going back home, also this, but I'm going to check the guy for the car wash. I need him to wash my bike because it's too dirty, man, too dirty. Where? This is a bridge number 2. Yeah. But we have a local bridge. I don't know. Also, guys, I'm trying to see if one of these days I could get a bicycle doing some exercise, guys. If you're watching these videos from first up to the end, you will see the bicycle that I get for 150 USD. Look, people now are building the whole of Africa. So I don't want to stay from January up to December on bike. I'll gain a lot of weight, so it's good when I have some bicycle doing exercise. Man, let's go. What happened, man? That's tobacco plantation, you know, I mean tobacco. But again, tobacco is not good in our human, like in our body, in our human body. Goats are grazing there. Okay, my people, it's time to wash my baby and get out. Today's on Monday, man. I don't know, maybe this the last week of December. And then from there we say goodbye. Actually, these videos, it's pure surprise for my sister, and that surprise comes from the family of Twin Sister TV and also Aisha Wine. You can go and check them. I think on my description I will pin their link, so you can click there and show them some love. You know, sometime I was busy. You know, sometime I was busy, and even I forget to give my friends a special shout out. You know. Okay. Oh. Man, let's watch this bike and see how they go. Oh my god, I see a tractor here. There's near behind us. That's how it looks like. Crazy. But I don't know. Nobody's here. Wapi baba? Okay. Ameenda. Itanko jeshi. Guys, let me show you. You know, here it's clean, but down here, look, it's something else. Let me see. This is the car wash. Or maybe I'll wash by tomorrow morning. Uncle Joshua, kids are not allowed. So when I show them too much, they want to say, nipige picha. They think, yeah, she. Tende zetu. Amani bintona. Mukunyogire kenanda marake gundu. Hati mburangu uchere. Mbuye fat.
Hi guys.
This coach.
Yeah.
Kira masenti mpaka hicho mratu niko kanyanda haki ya Mungu. I'm too block. Yaki. Era mambo ya try control. Kanan.
Yo, what's up? Welcome my YouTube channel. My name Ernest Como.
Ernest.
Yeah.
Como.
Subscribe, comment and share.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go and wash my bike.
Yeah.
Nowadays you're making money.
Yeah.
Because it's raining anytime. Okay. Guys, let's see on the next vlog.
Yeah.
Iko karibu? Wewe baki.
Lakini uosha vizuri kama ya huyu.
Ataosha.
Na unaosha ngapi?
Na 72 boss.
Lakini uiosha vizuri.
Yaani wao hapo.
Sasa wewe mwachi uende urudi.
Unajua nilikataa kusafisha TV yangu, si rahisi nisafishe silaha. Kwa silaha unasikia wanapiga maji.
Hata mimi nasafishaga hapa. Kuja maana naosha vizuri.
Hapa. Tena unaona akisafisha saa huu. Tena kesho unamleta. Silaha kitu gani nimeondoa wanapiga maji. Anakuambia imeng'ara. Mimi nimetoka silaha. Hivi muungwana sijui tulikutana hapo.
Nani mimi?
KCB.
Mimi.
Wewe.
Hata sikumbuka. Unajua mambo yanakuwa mengi kwa kichwa. Guys, this is my baby and I just come from the car wash, and also I need to end my videos in good way. You know, I love when my baby's still clean, maybe when I pass somewhere, people they see, oh, you buy another bike, but it's because of maintenance, you know. Me, I know how to maintain the bike, not like driving shagala bagala. No. So anyway, guys, we are coming at the end of these videos, and I say thank you so much. My God bless you. And for those people who joining this YouTube streets for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, like, and also don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support your boy Hello Baby Official. And I think by next year, we're remaining with some few weeks, I think 2 weeks from now, or maybe 1 and some days to start a new year. I think from there I'll start posting videos day by day. Maybe I know most of my subscribers, maybe you'll wonder, hey Hello Baby, what's happened nowadays? We didn't upload the videos day by day. It's sometime I work on this structure here, and I feel so headache. I need to be, you know, to have a shift or a break, you know, for shortly, and then maybe from January, video after video, banger after banger. Anyway, let's meet on tomorrow's videos, and I hope you will enjoy on today's vlog, guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart, guys. Bye.